Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about BenQ GP520 4K all-in-one home entertainment projector. So friend, BenQ has announced 4K all-in-one home entertainment projector designed specifically for modern, open-plan living space and perfect for your families who value quality time together. The GB520 delivered the GB520 delivered the onboard cinema experience on Netflix and Google TV with premium 2600 ANSI-lumen HDR picture quality and ambient adaptive technology coupled with smart auto setup for stunning viewing quality and regardless of the wall color, lighting condition and room layout, delivering a viewing experience superior to that the other home projector. The GB520's Auto Cinema Mode use smart environment detection to adjust image setting in real time, ensuring exceptional color performance across various wall colors, lighting condition, and projection distance with the omnidirectional setup for front side inverted upward and ceiling mounted projection. The GB520's 3 tripod Hall provide maximum installation flexibility in any space, and the GP520 also features smart installation technology include autofocus, auto 2D keystone and rotation, obstacle avoidance, screen feed, imagery positioning, and digital zoom for quick, easy, and precise projection in any setting. And the GB520 deliver unparalleled color performance and sharpness for truly cinematic 180-inch big screen experience, and this is all complemented by powerful cinematic 12.822 audio and Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.